Hey guys, it's Foreman here. Today I have the second part of my video from
Close to their
1126 at
spawn,
Stockyard
they're in
Airsoft.
offices on the
I'm not
right
going to
side.
be playing there for around 2 to 3 weeks because the Oklahoma winter is getting pretty serious now. It's
That guy
dropping
tried
down into 17-ish degrees right now where I'm at. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't know, man. I wouldn't recommend. Okay, they're taking the bomb back to their spawn. Over. Roger that. You guys dead?
Yeah, we are now. Hey, with me, with me.
Gage, I'm on your left. Over. We still need all teams to move into offices for backup. We're pushing towards the side of their spawn offices. Over. But this one's the closest to your spawn. Do you think they moved it? Do you have any clue where they're moving to now? Over. Here, move with Gage. I'm trying to get comms. Can anyone confirm if they're in the tea room or not? Over. Watch right side. Hey, guy. Watch that right side with the tea room. Because I don't know if they're going to come through here, but if they do, I'm pick them off. It's just Hells and then the tea room is what I'm worried about right now. Thank you. Gage, this is Foreman. Where are you headed to? Over.
Hey. And then walking. What's that?
I am close to their spawn. I can hear him saying something about the bomb. Over. would be careful though, because shots coming from T room and their spawn. Over.
Oh! That man.
Okay. Nice shot. I think he hit the GoPro.
That was a lucky shot. Trying to some chance.
Dead man. Dead man coming out. Gus, where you want to plant? Where? Right here?
Oh, shit, we got one man.
Plant right here.
Well, we got a plant on the other side of this.
Shit.
Right side.
So we can't plant here. Gus.
Plant it, yeah, plant it.
Okay, bombs planted. Cover the left side. Hit!